Thank you, Speaker. My question is to the Minister of Northern Development Mines. It's been 2 years since the Liberal government announced a sell-off of the Ontario Northland, jeopardizing 1,000 families directly and many others indirectly, a decision made without consultation or any research, and we later found out was going to cost the government over $800 million. Northerners united and forced the government to backtrack. Finally, the government has allowed management and the employees to put together a plan and present it. My question is very simple, a plan that could revitalize the ONTC. My question is very simple. Will you act on that plan?
Thank you. I very much appreciate the question, and I know what an important issue this is for everyone in northeastern Ontario, and certainly we are very, very proud of the fact that we were able to work with people in northeastern Ontario, setting up a ministerial advisory committee that's been meeting, quite frankly, for the last year as we look at a different approach to the ONTC, a transformational one that really is much about restructuring, alternative service delivery as others. We are very grateful to have had a report submitted by the management unions together. That was presented to our Ministerial Advisory Committee a couple of weeks ago. We are looking at it very, very seriously, and again, I'm very grateful for the hard work that's gone into that. This is an extremely important decision. We're conscious of the uncertainty that's been there. I made that clear at our last meeting, and indeed, I appreciate all the good work that's been done, and we're looking forward to being able to make some decisions soon.
Thank you. Supplementary.
Thank you, Speaker. The Minister made a good point about it is causing uncertainty. It's caused uncertainty in the North for 2 years, and now we're worried at this final juncture that the government might try to sell off part of the ONTC at this late date just to save face. And that would scuttle the plan that was put forward by Northerners to revitalize the company. We need a commitment that the Ministry and Minister and the Premier is truly going to commit to revitalize the ONTC and not try any fast moves to try to save face at this late juncture.
Thank you, Minister.
Well, again, I appreciate the question, and there certainly are no fast moves that are being made. This has been a really important discussion that we've had, and if I can be very clear about one thing, the one thing that's been very, very important to us is that any decisions related to the future of the ONTC really, truly are about finding a way to have a sustainable, long-term operation, and that goes for all 4 of the divisions of the ONTC. So we've taken a different approach. The member is aware of that. The Ministerial Advisory Committee members made up of certainly municipal leaders, First Nation, Métis Nation, business, industry, have been really, really working hard together. The report that came to us, the Combined Management Unit report, was one that we're looking at very, very seriously. But I can assure you that the bottom line really is that we're going to make decisions that are based on a long-term, sustainable future for the ONTC, and may I say, a bright future for the ONTC. Thank you.